Is this the future of home cooking, or is it just another very expensive AI oven? And honestly, it starts to feel like a little bit of both because of the fact that it can cook, recognize, monitor, and improve the meals on its own. And so that's the most convincing part of this. And so stick around, because today we're going to have a very delicious episode. I'm going to be giving full control to this wan AIChef Ultra. And so I hope by the end of the video that I'm not gonna be hungry and that I'm going to be eating a very delicious meal. Let's begin. The wan AIChef Ultra is an autonomous countertop chef, and you load the ingredients, you close the door, and its camera and thermal sensors identify the food, you choose the cooking method, and it manages the entire process automatically. And unlike a traditional oven, which expects you to do almost everything, like knowing the correct mode, the temperature, the cooking time, this device makes those decisions for you. Now, first things first, the unboxing was a little bit larger than expected, but this also makes it feel like it's a serious cooking appliance rather than another small kitchen gadget. Design-wise, it looks very futuristic. The reinforced steel body just makes it feel very solid. The glass display looks premium, and the cooking chamber is large enough to feel genuinely useful, unlike other gadgets that disappear into the cupboard after a few weeks. Now, let's begin with the main features, because the first trick is seeing what's going on. And a 12-megapixel AI camera can recognize more than 200 common ingredients, and then it thinks using an onboard NVIDIA processing and over 1,000 built-in recipes to decide how a meal should be cooked. Alright guys, we have this very beautiful dish right here. This is the salmon with the garlic lemon. So let's go ahead and put it inside. It just says to put it inside and let the AI recognize it. We have some cherry tomatoes on the side with some asparagus and all the marinade on top. So let's go ahead and put it in there and see if it can recognize it. Put it in. Let's go ahead and see.
Recipe recognized. Lemon garlic salmon with fermented black bean sauce. Please choose.
Lemon garlic salmon, that's the one. Next thing we have to do is just press start cooking. And that's about it. The great thing is that we can see what's happening right here up front, and we can see the cherry tomatoes, we can see the asparagus, and we're gonna see everything cook. It tells us in total 7 minutes, 31 seconds left. It's at 3%. So let's go ahead and let it do its thing. Next, it cooks using the thermal imaging to monitor the temperatures and adjust the heat in real time. The control is accurate to around 3.2 Fahrenheit, which will help prevent dry chicken, burnt vegetables, and salmon. Alright guys, as we can see, this is already done. So it says, be careful because it's going to be hot. So I'm going to get this and take it out in just a second. And let's see, like over or undercooked. That's gonna be in just a second. Alright guys, this is already done. Let's go ahead and try this deliciousness. So much flavor. Man, my mouth is watery right now. Wow. This right here is absolutely delicious. 10 out of 10. And last but not least, it also grows through the monthly recipe updates and learns from your feedback, because after eating, you can select perfect, overcooked, or undercooked, and it adjusts the future meals accordingly. It was absolutely incredible. We like it. Love it. Alright guys, for my next act, I have these delicious chicken wings. These are the honey lemon chicken wings that I found on the recipe from the AIChef. So I'm going to put it inside, see if it can recognize it, and then let it cook and do its thing. And I can't wait to try this because I've never tried this kind of marination that it just gave me. So I can't wait. Just go ahead and put it in here.
Recipe recognized. Lemon honey chicken wings. Please say, start cooking.
Start cooking. I love the fact that we're able to see what's going on. Just in case something is not right, you're able to stop or, anything, but that's amazing. So we're at 3 minutes, 30 seconds and 155 degrees. Average temperature is 180 Fahrenheit and the max is 207, 208. We're at 66%. Nice. Let's go ahead and let it cook. Alright guys, it's ready. So let's see how these chicken wings are looking. We got them here. Yep, it's definitely kind of hot. Not sure why I forgot. Try to take it out. Let's put it here. The only way to find out how good it is by trying it. So let's go ahead and see if these are properly cooked, because one thing that we don't want is undercooked or raw chicken. So let's go ahead and dip it in the sauce and see. So overall, my experience was more than what I expected, because usually with ovens you have to know what you're doing to kind of get the plate the right way. But with the AI Chef, most of the work is already done for you because it analyzes everything that's in the plate, the ingredients, the cook time, temperature, and everything else that goes around cooking. So with that in mind, the only thing that there is to do is just sit back, relax, and wait for your dish so you can enjoy it. So if this is something that you're interested in trying, it's currently launching through the crowdfunding, so you can check the campaign details, pricing, and delivery timeline before you back it. But as a simple glimpse into the future of home cooking, this is one of those things that is honestly about to get really interesting, and I can't wait to see what the future holds. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more content. Let me know in the comment section what is one dish that you would absolutely love to try with the AI Chef. Stay tuned for more content, and I will see you on the next video.